Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. I am your Vibita ma'am. Today, we are going to learn about modals must and must not. Modal verb. A modal verb is a type of helping verb that is used to express. A modal verb is a type of helping verb that is used to express. Must, things we need to do. Must not, things we are not allowed to do. What is must? Must means things we need to do. That is, we must drink water. We must attend our classes. Like that. Must not, things we are not supposed to do. We must not fight. Okay? Yes. Now, let's see the next slide. Read these sentences. You must eat a balanced diet. You must eat a balanced diet. You must not eat junk food. What you must not eat? You must not eat junk food. Okay. Now, did you understand the meaning of must and must not? Yes. Must means we use must for things we need to do. We use must, the word must, for things which we need to do. So, what about must not? We use must not for things we are not allowed to do. We use must not for things we are not allowed to do. Now, let's go to the textbook exercise. I request the children to open page number 56 in your English textbook. Are you all ready with your textbook? Okay, let's start. So, first exercise is match and make correct sentences. Okay, so there are words here and we have to make a correct sentence out of this. So, we have you, Sheila, I towards your left hand side, and towards your right hand side, you have help the old man cross the road, go into the deep as she does not know how to swim, tell the truth and not hide anything. And in between, we have must and must not. So we have to join the proper models and we have to make a correct sentence. You must help the old man cross the road. So the answer is, for the first one, it is you must help the old man cross the road. So the second one here is Sheila must not go into the deep as she does not know how to swim. Sheila must not go into the deep as she does not know how to swim. And the last answer is I I must tell truth and not hide anything. I must tell truth and not hide anything. So let's go to the next exercise, that is read these signs. Now write what these signs tell using must and must not for each. Okay, so we have different signs here and we have to use must and must not and frame a sentence accordingly. So have you seen the symbol, the sign? Have you seen it on the road? Yes. What do you mean by this? No parking. So we are going to frame a sentence by using must in the sentence. It is, we must not park our vehicles here. We must not park our vehicles here. So let's go to the second sign. What sign is this? Yes, it is no horning or no blow the horn here. Okay. So now again we have to put the must or must not word in the sentence. Let's do it. We must not blow the horn here. We must not blow the horn here. Okay, let's go to the next one. It is stop. The symbol, the sign shows is stop. We must stop here. The answer is we must stop here. Next one is the boy is walking over the zebra crossing, isn't it? Yes. We must cross the road at the zebra crossing. We must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Now let's see the last one. What sign is this, children? This is no U-turn. You should not take U-turn if the sign is like this. So let's frame a sentence. We must not take U-turn here. We must not take U-turn here. Okay. Now let's go to the next exercise. Write 4 rules you should follow in school. Use must and must not. So let us start writing 4 rules in which we have to follow in school by using must and must not. So the first rule is we must reach the school on time. So the first rule is we must reach the school on time. So the second rule is we must respect our teachers. Whom we have to respect? We must respect our teachers. Very good. Let's go to the third rule. We must not make noise in the teacher's absence. We must not make noise in the teacher's absence. Now let's see the last rule. We must not waste time by talking to a friend. We must not waste time by talking to a friend. Okay? Children, write down the correct answers in your textbook and send me the pictures on WhatsApp. Okay? Take care. Thank you. See you in the next class. In the next class, I'll be teaching you the 2 other models. Okay?